Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are connected with the date and time, but unfortunately, we cannot customize them manually. First of all, we have to turn off automatic time zone date and time. And now we can freely tap on, for example, date, and from the calendar, pick the date, tap on done. It will be immediately applied. And the same situation with the time, just by swiping, set the time you want to use. Tap on done, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions. So just find one and tap on it, just like that. It will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also customize the time format. So currently we are using 24-hour format, so if you want to use 12-hour format, you have to turn off this option. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied again. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers again. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.